Hello, in this video I'm going to go over the lab matching in eMedical Notes and show you how to set that up. The purpose of the lab matching is to have consistency over how the HL7 lab results are displayed regardless of the lab that was used. For example, I know a lot of our clients use like Quest Labs or Hurley or McLaren, and every time they come in, the labs are inconsistent and you have to keep scrolling and scrolling and just to look for like lipids, for example. The purpose of the lab matching is to group all the lipids together, for example, just to have consistency and they will always appear together after that. This video is just an instructional to show you how that's done. Let's get started. We can't stress this enough. It is very important that the person that is most familiar with the lab results does the matching, because if the matching is done incorrect, you do have the potential for lab results to show incorrectly in the system. Let's go to miscellaneous, manage labs to LOINC codes. On the left hand side you will see the top 2000 LOINC codes, which is the most commonly used labs. On the right hand side you will see the most commonly used labs in your system. This will be different for each of our clients. Let's start here. For example, let's match glucose. Search glucose. Select glucose. Over here you would search for glucose as well. Once it finds a glucose, you'll see that there are multiple glucoses. You can hold down Control to select them all. Once you do that, you'll click on Save the Matching, and you'll see that it'll go down here. I already done some matching. You will see them here. You can delete the matching if it's incorrect. If you delete the matching, it's not affecting the actual result. It is just deleting the matching. So if the matching is wrong, you can go ahead and delete that without worrying about whether it's going to delete the actual lab or not. It will not touch the actual result at all. If you'd like, you can rename the LOINC code here into something that you want to see in the system. Alright, let's click on Manage Lab Panels. Click on, I've already created lipids and tests, but you can create any panel. The purpose of creating the panel is when you go to the HL7 lab result, you'll be able, these are where the panels are defined. If you want, you can name it anything. Miscellaneous is the default one and that'll always stay. The ones that appear under miscellaneous are the ones that have not been matched yet into the system and moved under a different panel. Once you create the panels, let's just do test 2, add update. You do not need to worry about the panel order. Let's go back to miscellaneous, manage labs. Here's where you'll be able to, once you've done the matching and you've created the panels that you would like to see, you will click on change labs and panels order. Over here, let's just put one back under miscellaneous. Ones that are, like I was saying before, if ones that have not been matched or put under a panel will appear under miscellaneous. At this point, you would just move it to which panel you would like it to be under and in what order. So if you want potassium to appear at the top in the lipids panel, for example, you would put it at the top. If you want the panel itself, you can drag, like say you want lipids at the bottom, you don't want it at the top. You would just do that here. Once you go into the HL7 for the patient, you will see the order that you put them in. Let's do that again. Let's say we want to move potassium to test 2 and we want to move test 2 here. and it changed the order. You can show or hide the test if you just want to do the panels for easier management. You can add as many panels as you like once you do the matching. Let's see. And like I was saying, if any of the matching is incorrect, you can delete it. It is very important, like I said, to get the matching done correctly, because if you match the glucose to a creatine, for example, the results that come in are going to show incorrect. If you are in the patient's HL7 and you suspect that a matching might be incorrect, you can click on it here and it'll show the LOINC code of what it was matched to. So for example, let's just incorrectly do one real quick. Let me delete the glucose ones. Okay, select glucose and let's match them to, that's fine. You will also see here how they've been matched to, so if you notice them off, you can. Let's refresh the page. You can click on it and you will see that it was matched to ALT as opposed to what it should have been. And at that point, you can click on match patient test to LOINC, which is a little shortcut there. That'll take you to the lab matching, and then you'll be able to delete that incorrect matching and then correct it. And once you do that, you'll be able just to go back in here, refresh the page, and then it'll show up correctly. That concludes our video. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to give us a call, and we'll be more than happy to help you with that. Thank you.